Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by launching Snipping Tool and switching to video mode. This lets you record screen motion, not just images. First, pick the capture area, full screen for demos, a window for apps, or draw a custom rectangle for focus. Make sure to enable your microphone, and if relevant, system audio so viewers hear narration and app sounds. Once done, pause to close unrelated apps. This reduces distractions and keeps file size down. Now you're ready to hit record and start the action. You control recording with the on-screen toolbar. Use the countdown to prepare, then record. Pause and resume to split actions naturally. Speak clearly as you demonstrate steps and move the cursor slowly when highlighting options. This improves viewer comprehension. If you need to emphasize, stop the recording and use Snipping Tool's annotate or highlight tools to add arrows, text, or zoomed crops. Make sure to keep segments concise. Long, unedited takes make post-editing harder and increase file size unnecessarily. You finish by saving the recording as an MP4, choosing a clear file name and destination so you can find it later. Open the built-in editor to trim intros and outros, then export the final cut. If you plan to share, compress, or re-encode to balance quality and size. If something goes wrong, like no audio, check microphone permissions, app access in settings, and system volume mixers. Make sure the correct input is selected. Finally, re-record short portions rather than the entire video when possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.